Itchy eyes, sneezing more. If you're amongst the 1 in 5 in the UK allergic to pollen, listen up. Grass pollen, which affects around 95% of hay fever sufferers, is going to be high for the next 3 days across the Midlands, Central and Southern England, London and the South West. That's according to the University of Worcester. Grass pollen is at its peak from now until July, but there's a few things that affect it. Towns and cities are likely to have less pollen than rural areas overall, and rain can suppress it, while warmth and sunshine can boost